Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sriram here from the Tech Advisor team of HCL Automation Orchestration Suite. What we're looking at today is a banking use case. So, this is an external vendor file transfer kind of scenario. We have an external file arriving from a third party source in a bank. What we're going to do is park it in an dirty bucket, as we like to call it, an AWS S3 bucket, and we're also going to upload a set of antivirus definitions, EV definitions, to a definitions bucket. And at the same time we are also going to then run scans on an in progress bucket, where we're going to park the file from the dirty bucket and then going to run scans on the file on the in progress bucket. And once a scan comes out clean, we're going to notify through an AWS SNS service that the scan has come out clean. In case the scan does not come out clean, we are again going to notify through an AWS SNS service that the scan has not come out clean. In the case when the scan comes out clean, we are also going to upload the file to a in progress. We're going to upload the file to a completed bucket. And once the file is uploaded in the completed bucket, we'll download the file from the completed bucket, decompress the file, and also decrypt the file, indicating that the scan is complete, and also the decompression and decryption is also done. So the same workflow as here is replicated uh, within Universal Orchestrator as well, which is again a part of HCL Automation Orchestration Suite. So we have the same flow replicated, wherein all the steps starting from the parking of the file in the dirty bucket, to the download of the file from the dirty bucket, to also uploading the file to in progress bucket, the scanning of the files or upload of the AV definitions into the definitions bucket, to also running the scans through an AWS Lambda function, is all replicated here in the flow. So, in case the scan comes out clean, I have the AWS SNS service notifying that the scan has come out clean successfully. In case the scan does not come out clean, I have another AWS SNS service called to indicate that scan has not, to notify failure that the scan has not come out clean. And once the scan comes out clean, I also have another subsequent job that is going to download into the in progress bucket, um, and also going to upload to the completed bucket. So it's going to download from the in progress bucket and upload into the completed bucket. And once the file is downloaded from the completed bucket, I'm also doing a decompression and also a decryption of the file. So once I submit this particular flow, what happens in the background is this flow gets submitted, and this flow that is submitted is then um, the one thing you would notice immediately is that the job stream is complete by the time we open it. This is because with the Universal Orchestrator, um, the performance is almost 4 to 6 times the performance of a normal workload automation product. So the first job that is down uploading into the dirty bucket is uploading a file um, into the dirty bucket through an AWS S3 job type. There's a subsequent job that is downloading from the dirty bucket, and then there are subsequent jobs that are also uploading into the in progress bucket. And then there's also another job that is down uploading the AV definitions into the AV definitions bucket. And then there's a subsequent job that is going to run the scan, um, which is in turn going to call run in a serverless fashion through an AWS Lambda function. And at the same time, it's also going to uh, notify in case the scan comes out clean. In this case, the scan has come out clean. So it notifies that the scan has come out clean through an AWS SNS service. And at the same time, I'm also having to download the file from the in progress bucket because the scan has come out clean, and I'm going to upload into the completed bucket, wherein it's also going to download from the completed bucket, and is going to decompress the file and also decrypt the file. So the decompression and decryption is also done out of the box directly from the product. Now the decryption in this case, um, from the zip file, and also um the actual decryption of the file from PGP format to the final end resultant file. So in this way, with HCL Universal Orchestrator, we are able to um, not just sanitize the file and also decompress, decrypt the file, but do all of them out of the box, and also done it, complete the whole process within a matter of few seconds. If you notice, the first job in this particular job stream, this started at around 5:31:19 seconds, and the last job in the job stream completed at around 5:31:34 seconds. So within a matter of a few seconds, the whole workflow completed. Um, and this is the power of Universal Orchestrator, because here there's absolutely no lag time between jobs. There's no lag time between dependencies. So within a matter of 14 seconds, the whole workflow is complete.